lot of things that go through me mind. Me feel lost sometimes. Me ask Father God to show me a sign. The world cold so me travel with me nine. Me paranoid, me not trust mankind. They are me the Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss is here, you know. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, boy. Another entertainer gone. Another artist dead, my people. But we all know it, go. Every year, them thing happen, my viewers and subscribers. Locally, internationally. You understand? So every year, you find a dancehall artist get gunned down in Jamaica. And every year, you find an artist over America get gunned down, the people. No joke about it, a rap artist. Every year, and you don't know, more than one. Always happen. See? So, the artists to kick off the year, my people. Artists, some of that say more known artists. You know, say you have younger artists who get cut down since the year start, my people, in Jamaica. But the most known artist now, my people, is the artist unknown Gringo. Yeah, man. Sadly, unknown Gringo, my people. Them say them cut him down, the people. And anybody don't know unknown Gringo because I know say him changing name, my people. You understand? No Face Unknown. So I'm going to look at history more about No Face Unknown Gringo. Remember, you know, this is the artist couple years ago, my people, when it comes to boom, in a mask. You understand? Everybody was so surprised because they drop a song named Tank Up, my people. And the song that they go on with the vibes. You know what I mean? Remember at one point, my people, a couple years ago, he was also in a clash with Javilani, my people. Them time the Javilani didn't rise to stardom yet. But them, you know what I mean? When Javilani have rasp on him head and them thing there. So unknown Gringo at the time, known as No Face Unknown, was in war with him. You understand? He was also in another artist who used to wear a mask also. And couple more. So he was an artist who always, you know what I mean? Also throw this song at Alkaline and them thing, them people. That was No Face Unknown at the time. After I went on an interview, a lot of people asked him the question, what is or why do you wear the mask? Because people really do want to see what is behind the mask of people. And his statement was that him burn up. You understand? Fire burn him up. He was trying to save someone in fire and thing, and fire burn up him face and all heap and something, people. When 3 something, mask come off of face because basically that stunt never to work for him because him never get the big break with him. They think him did get, you know what I mean, him feel so did that happen, people. Because remember, Alkaline do him thing with him yaya and say yaya about this and it work for him. So him did that try for him thing, people. Unfortunately, never work. Him never get that big break, them people. You understand? So, him decide to look at the man, me drop the mask thing and show up him face. When people check, not a bun upon face. Basically, him say him the surgeon, so why that the doctor just deserve a Grammy plus Platinum Award for make that the bun come out the people with that the surgery there. Because no man not show no bun in the face of people. Lie! Alright. So then so boom now my people. Him continue doing his thing. And back up in 2019. That is where him really get a really pushing up. Because him make him debut for reggae some fest. You understand? And that kind of game career look hype and get more fan base on the western side of people. Because he's from Trelawny originally. You understand? The parish of Trelawny. Him grew up in Flankers as a younger youth. Then moving him age to Trelawny, my people. And that's where him kind of push himself up. And that's when, you know what I mean, take all music and thing. So, continuing his career doing his thing, my viewers and subscribers. Unfortunately, and sadly, my people, early Friday, March the 10th, 2023, my people, his life was cut short in the same parish group of Trelawny, Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. So them say sometime close to 1 in the morning, residents in a community in Trelawny, my people, heard a loud explosion. And they summoned the police. When the police come on the scene, my viewers and subscribers, they found unknown Gringo, aka No Face Unknown, my viewers and subscribers, in a car around the steering, basically a car crash and thing, the people. Full of gunshot. You understand? Full of gunshot in a Toyota Crown motor car, my viewers and subscribers. Them come so boom, take him out of the car, you don't know them checks and thing, you know what I mean? Call crime scene and something, my people. And sadly, him gone. You understand? Young youth, him never too old, my people. You understand? I'm age and, you know what I mean? But I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers, a lot of people been talking, people been speculating. Some people are say, yo, him did not this. Some people are say a bad man. Some people say him that link with scammer. Some people are say a girl business of people. But who knows? You understand? Because no one say me is a man who in the street who basically your name can call upon so much different things with viewers and subscribers. It's not a good look. You know what I mean? When a person can't say, yo, you know what I mean? Something happened and then can't say, yo, what this cause, you that cause with people. That means, say, even if, you know what I mean, you weren't in it, that means you have some affiliation, some part to do with it, my viewers and subscribers. Looking into it, me not pin nothing upon unknown Gringo, no face and no people. Because, unfortunately, my people, and sadly, an artist losing life where we really have to think about that, my viewers and subscribers. And going back and going through my DM and checks, my viewers and subscribers, I have even saw a message when me and this artist have conversation. When he was asking me, my people, like 2 years ago for some promotional work. You understand? Because I don't know, so through the pandemic, my viewers and subscribers, a lot of entertainers, you know what I mean, was using the pandemic to try to build themselves. And I'm telling the truth, honestly, my people, through the pandemic, that's when I get the most promotion work for artists and entertainers. Because a lot of artists was using the pandemic to get their break, my viewers and subscribers. So No Face Unknown Gringo at the time, my viewers and subscribers, he was trying to use the pandemic to really get the break. Him release a lot of songs, my people. And even up to date, them same have an EP, if a drop an EP when just work on my people called The Return of the Unknown Gringo. Something similar to that, my viewers and subscribers. But unfortunately, my people, and sadly, the criminals, they cut his journey short, my people. You understand? Them cut it short, done them, my people, in Falmouth, Jamaica. Trelawney. Huh? Life of an entertainer. I've seen where a lot of entertainer push out and show them love, show them support and them condolences. I've seen even DJ like Ricky Truba come so boom and push out them condolences to my people and say, yo, them can't believe he was a good artist, he was a talented artist, of people. And I'm not gonna lie, my people, he was a talented artist. You understand? Bring him style to the thing and have him look a flair to the thing, my viewers and subscribers and thing, but you don't know it go. You don't know how it go, my viewers and subscribers. If you as an artist, entertainer, anybody at all, you understand, do mix up in a certain things with viewers and subscribers. The way things are run a yard now, anything can happen, anything can play. And sadly, my people, Unknown Gringo, No Face journey, cut short, my people. Huh? Short. Why? But, you know, police do them investigation into it, my people. Them do them checks. And I see if them can find any leads, you know what I mean, we could have lead to it, my viewers and subscribers. But as me say, the street attack. Some say a pum. Some say a this, a gang thing. Some say a scam about what to believe, my people. What to believe. Was he mixing in really them something here? That's what really lead to. Me tell us the artist link me up. He was asking me for do some promotion, my people. Of course, I did message him back and I, you know what I mean, tell him the price and thing. And he said, soon, you know what I mean? But I was waiting for soon, but he never get back to my people. And I was wondering maybe, because he never basically released. So when did I release? Because the EP never dropped. You know what I mean? So maybe now he was planning even to link back the attacking boss now that he was about to release his EP, my people. And unfortunately, they cut his journey short. You know what I mean? But only just season he knows. That's all me can tell people, say, in times like now, being an artist, being anybody at all, the best thing what you can do is stay away from things you know, so can lead you into problem, lead you into trouble, and lead you to build your enemies. You understand? Because now, the thing just set away. And people just been losing their life, you know what I mean, on a daily basis. And 99 million% of these people who are lose them life by gun violence in Jamaica, people, are affiliated in these criminal things, my people. You understand? All because of getting the fame, getting the wealth, and getting just the money thing. You understand the money? And listen back when them say the love of money is the root of all evil. It ain't no joke, it's reality, my people. So we all have to think. You understand? We all have to think. And again, I'm just going to send out my deepest condolences to all the fans, you understand, and other entertainers, you know what I mean, brethren and brothers who are mourning the loss of the artist, Unknown Gringo, aka No Face Unknown, my viewers and subscribers. I hope, say, the police can conduct some deep investigation into this, my people, and for any perpetrators or anyone who is behind this, you know what I mean, anyone who plan it and set it up and make them cut the artist journey short, yo, as me I say, my people, because I've seen the images, my people, you know what I mean, and It's a sad one, man. Really sad one, you know. Entertainer drop out and thing, and you know, you have his style, my people. You know what I mean? Tank up, and you have him look a unique style. You know, him try to get the break. You know what I mean? Him never get the big break when him take, and you know what I mean? Up to date, Tank Up is the biggest song he ever released. But you don't know, him never give up. He was planning to return, but as I say, unfortunately, his journey was cut short, my people. So, you don't know the thing of my people. You don't know, say, I want dream and I want scheme and I want attacking boss of people. And thanks, the love, the support, the like, the share, and every comments. You don't know, if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video, you will get it, my people. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss. Peace out, my people, and just stay safe and just continue to do the right thing, my people. Blessings. Thank you all for the love and for the support. Tank up, me tank up. Unknown Gringo. No face unknown. Sadly, the entertainer, the artist journey cut short. Peace out, my people. Blessings.
If you know a thing come down, man, one Gringo lifestyle, fully this kind of side out. Cash for me brain, me work hard, look what me gain, yeah. Big B strapping alien skyscraper, the way I ear like plane. Me need weedy, highest train. Remy Martin chopping and me vein, girl see me and so that is standing at the rain. Now play with me insane. Me drop bees, man shining in the sky and it still a increase. Now me spend $1 million like I lease. Couldn't buy for no every day is a feast. Yo, the world call me have to travel with a piece. For the mother and the auntie, the cousin and the niece. Me not trust enough of them car, them a priest. Things Lord in the west, north, south and east. Father God a guide and plus he ring grace. You know a thing come down. Birmingham loud tonight. This kind of side of life.